Hey guys, hope everyone doing good. This is Bhaskar. I came up with another video which is useful for people who are having cars and who are looking to purchase dash cams to their car. So I suggest this model. I didn't use it yet, but I feel it is good option like because this is 2 GB memory card, okay, and one I purchased. You can also choose 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB. uh, I got it for 14,600 something. That includes charges, and I have also applied $20 discount because I paid through dollars. Okay, because this I purchased from website, right, directly American website. So that is the reason I purchased. I mean, I paid through dollars. So I paid around below $200. I think I don't remember exactly, but when you convert to Indian currency and conversion charges, everything, it cost me around 14,600 something. So round figure 14,700. This is 2 GB model. If you purchase 32 GB, it will cost you some 7,000 something. That includes maybe includes or maybe excluding charges. So you have to check it out. I'm not sure. Or else you can purchase 32 GB model and you can buy separate memory card. But I suggest you directly purchase 2 GB model if you are looking for 24 hours backup and 24 hours recording. 2 GB model will record you 24 hours, 32 GB will record 3 hours. It's like that. 6 GB, I mean, sorry, 64 GB will record maybe some more hours, so like that. So, maximum 26 GB, so that's why I purchased this 26 GB model, which will record 24 hours. And actually, they'll send you memory card separately. But why did I choose directly from website? Because 2 GB. When I compare the memory card cost in Amazon or Flipkart, they're charging more, like 3,500, 4,000. But when you compare with Nexar website, they are charging more, less than 2,500. So that's why I purchased directly 2 6 GB model. So let's see what's in the box, and let's see. This is the box. Nexar nothing. So this is made in China, but I got this from New York. So let's see what's inside the box. So I will put that $20 discount coupon and my coupon in description. You can try both, whichever is working. You can order. I'll also mention the link to purchase. So this is the two cams. This is front recording cam. This is interior recording cam. Let's see what's inside the box. So this is, I think this is manual, and before using this camera, you have to install the application in your mobile. Then you have to connect the camera to the application. So they will mention everything in this. Okay, we have everything in this manual. We'll read this later. I mean, I'll upload another video regarding that. And let's see what are the other things we got in the box. So USB charging cable, windshield GPS mount, dual USB cigarette lighter adapter, and easy installation kit. This is what we got inside the box. We'll see what's inside the box. So you can see here, this one we got it, windshield GPS mount. This is a dual USB cigarette lighter adapter. This USB cable, I think, I don't know how many meters, but means I didn't read it. I think it's maybe more than 10 meters. And this is the, what is this? Okay, something like for installation kit. This is to hide the cable, and this is for interior camera, I guess. So, and this is the kit, something we got. So, and I got 2 6 GB memory card, right? So this is separately they sent me memory card 2 6 GB. If you purchase 30 GB, they'll send you 30 GB memory card. So as I said, it's your choice which one to choose, because I choose 2 GB directly because I don't want to purchase separately, and so I got directly from them. which support this camera. So 2 GB you can see this data. So when you compare Amazon, I feel this memory card is cheaper, because in Amazon they're charging 1000 or 2000 extra memory card for this 2 GB memory card. So that is the reason I didn't purchase separately, because I chose Nexar website 2.6 model and I bought it. So if anyone have doubt, and if anybody want to buy this, and so you can put a comment, I'll reply for sure when I got time. So that's it guys, I'll come up with another video how to install and also how it works, sample videos, everything I'll create and I'll upload soon. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. Hope you have already subscribed. If not, please do subscribe and share. Thank you. Bye bye, take care.